We are pleased to show you the 2025 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.